Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today we are talking about some spring lip colors. I am really excited for this video because I love lip products so much. It is by far my favorite thing about makeup. I just love how you can just kind of change up your look just by slapping on a different lip color. I have a lot of really good products to share with you guys. Some classic lipstick things, some liquid lips, and then some like tinted balm type of things that I really have been loving. All of these colors just scream spring and summertime to me. I love them even though it just snowed here a couple days ago. I'm ready for spring and I'm gonna act like it's spring anyway because it is April, so TikTok spring. Let's come on. So hopefully by me sporting some spring lip colors, the snow will stop and the sun will come. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the first thing I want to chat about is just some classic lipstick things. I love a good classic lipstick. I think you cannot go wrong. And the two that I love for the springtime this year is one from Maybelline. It's from the Loaded Bold collection and it is the number 820 Berried Bossy. This is a beautiful purpley berry color, and yes, it is a little bit deeper for the springtime, but I love this with a little bit of bronzer, and when your skin gets a little bit more color, it just looks so beautiful. And it depends on how many passes you do on your lips. If you just do kind of like one pass, maybe even two, you get a brighter look, but if you go over a lot of times, you can deepen it up. So I do like how you can kind of manipulate this color. The next one I want to talk about is from Milani, and this is number 51, Blushing Beauty. It is a beautiful bright rose color. That's exactly how I describe this. It's not too orange, not too pink. It's just a really beautiful bright rose. It's not necessarily even red. It's so unique and it's so gorgeous, and I love the Milani formula because it's so creamy, yet it doesn't slip and slide all over the place, and it feels really comfortable on the lips. So number 51 from Milani and Blushing Beauty, I love. Alright, let's move on to more like liquid lipstick type things. So the first two I want to talk about is, these are from NARS, and you can actually buy the Narcissist set, and I love all of those. But also now at Ulta, you can find these like little 2-packs of these like little NARS Velvet Lip Glides. And I was looking at the different packs, and if I had to recommend one, it would be this one. And I love these colors for the springtime, so I thought it would be nice to kind of recommend a little set for you guys. So the first one is Californication, and this is a beautiful purpley pink shade. I love this all year round, but I think for the springtime it's like a unique type of pink. It's not super bright, it's still kind of muted, so it's very wearable, but it's like that unique kind of pink shade that I love. I think it's just absolutely stunning, and when you do like a really kind of pinky eye with some highlight, oh my gosh, it looks so stunning. So I love that, and the formula on these is so wonderful. It's like a lip gloss, liquid lipstick hybrid type of thing, and it just feels so comfortable on the lips. So I love the formula of these, and Californication is a great shade. And I also love the one that comes in the set of Staying Alive. This is like a deeper reddish pink. I love this type of shade. It's just so flattering, I think, because it's not stark red. It's not like fire engine red, but it's also not just straight up hot pink. It's kind of like a hybrid of the both, and so I love this type of color. I think it's so rich and just kind of old school glamour, but the formula on this makes it so light and makes it so nice to wear. So I love this one in Staying Alive. I will link that set as well as all the products I talk about in the description bar below, so if you're interested in checking any of these lip products out, definitely look down there. The next liquid lipstick I want to talk about is from Physicians Formula, and this is the Healthy Lip liquid lipsticks. I love these liquid lipsticks. I will link a video for you guys where I swatch all the ones that I have, and I share with you guys my full-on in-depth review of these, but I love them. Spoiler alert. This one is in Tulip Treatment. It is stunning. It is a beautiful warm coral type of shade, and these are so comfy. I would say they resemble the NARS Velvet Lip Glide formula in the sense that they are more of like a gel liquid lipstick, and they're very light, and they're very not thick on the lips, and they just feel so incredibly comfortable, and I love this shade. I think it's unique, and I think it's fun, and it's definitely something you can just throw on with bronzer and mascara and look fabulous. So I absolutely love this. The next thing I want to talk about is kind of a gloss, but also kind of a stain. It's a really unique formula and it's really inexpensive. This is from Essence and this is the Water Kiss Glossy Lip Color in the shade Mermaid Diary. This kind of formula is so cool. It is a very like light, watery gel type of formula and it stains the lips. It's so beautiful and you can really build this color up if you want it to be more intense, but you don't feel it on your lips. So even if you have a really intense color on your lips, you don't feel the product, which I love. And this, or you can just kind of make it more just like light and really nice and just like a lighter look if that's what you like. So I like that you can manipulate this and the formula is just so unique and this shade is so beautiful. It's just what I love about a good spring lip color, really any lip color, is that you can just do mascara, some bronzer, some highlight, and a bold lip and you just look beautiful and glam. Or you can do something lighter like this and you just look so fresh and so awake and it's just great. I absolutely love it. So this one I definitely recommend. And then now I want to talk about some like tinted balms. I have been all about these lately and purely because of these things right here. These are the L'Oreal Color Riche Glossy Shine Balms or something. What are they called? Color Riche Shine Balms. And I said glossy because I'm wearing one today and it looks like I have a gloss on. They are so shiny, so full color, so comfortable on the lips, it's unreal. So this kind of started this obsession for me again. It just kind of kicked everything back into gear. And I want to talk about 3 shades in particular that I think are so good for the springtime. The first one I want to chat about is 918 Polished Tango. This is a beautiful pinky coral. It definitely has a lot of pink in there, but it's still bright and it's still coral and I absolutely adore this shade. I think it just kind of freshens up your face no matter what look you have on. And then the other one I want to chat about is 906 Burnished Blush. This one is like a bright rose type of color. I love it. Where it does the same thing as Polished Tango, like brightening up your face and really waking you up, but it's more of a true pink. It doesn't have any kind of coral in there. It has more rosiness. Whereas Polished Tango does the same thing, but it has a little bit more coralness in there. So kind of just depending on what type of shade you like. I love both of them. I think they're both absolutely beautiful, but they are different and one's more rosy, one's more corally, but they do the same thing of just brightening up your face, making you look so fresh and just so awake. I love them. And then the one I'm wearing today is 916 Luminous Coral. This is more of like a peachy coral shade that's a little bit lighter. It feels not as bold as the other two, but it still feels very springy because it has that orange corally base to it. So I love this shade. I think it's so beautiful and I love a light look like this in the springtime. You know, you just look so just fresh and it's like you just wake up like a Neutrogena ad and it's amazing and I absolutely love it. Now the last thing I want to talk about is also a tinted balm and I tried this recently and this is from No. 7. This is the Lovely Lips Balm in Deep Raspberry. Talk about a bold lip that's wearable. This lip color I love because you get the punch of a bright lip color for spring, but you get the sheerness that makes it so wearable for every day and for work. I have worn this to work and I find it so appropriate. It's very springy and it's brighter, but it's not over the top. I feel like if you wear this type of shade in like a liquid lipstick, you know, it's very full color, it's very thick, it's definitely bold. Where this is like, wow, that's a really pretty lip color and you look really pretty today, but it's still such a wash of color and glossy that it's so wearable. I love this type of formula in this shade. And this formula is really nice because it doesn't like slip and slide all over, so I don't feel uncomfortable wearing this bright of a shade in this type of formula, if you know what I mean. So definitely recommend. I love this so much. Alright guys, that is it for my spring lip picks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!